Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can see from the title, I'm going to create a look which will hide that you're actually sick. First thing is first, you gotta use some eye drops. I don't have any with me right now. Second, you brush your teeth so that you don't get that smelly breath that you do when you're sick. And then tuck your hair into a hair bun. So let's get to the makeup. So the first step is foundation. I'm using my L'Oreal Infallible foundation, and then this is a L'Oreal foundation brush. I'm going to take 2 pumps of that. Taking my beauty blender to blend this out. Next, try to use an eye brightener. If you don't have any, just use a concealer. I'm using my Fenty Beauty eye brightener. This is in the shade Butter, by the way. All right, my eyes are red because I'm actually sick, but things are looking a little bit better right now, right? We're just white. So the second tip is to bronze a lot. So I'm going to contour with my NYX contour stick, Wonder stick, and then I'm going to bronze. For my bronzer, I'm going to take my Benefit Hoola. Much better, right? Yeah. While I'm at it, I'm going to take my bronzer with a crease brush, and I'm just going to put that on my crease. I'm going to do my brows off camera, so I'll be right back. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow tint. This is in the shade Granite. Alright, brows are done. I'm going to add a little bit of a highlight. This is my MAC cream color base in the shade Hush. And this is a very natural kind of creamy highlight. Now let's use some blush, and I'm using my blush, Essence the blush in the shade Be Fitting. Now I want to add a little bit more color to my face, so I'm going to add this blush by Nude Sticks in the shade Sunkissed. Alright, much better. Now let's do some mascara. I'm using my Essence Lash Princess. Now the third tip was to add nothing at all underneath my eyes. I mean, you can powder. I choose not to powder because my skin is really dry. But yeah, don't add anything underneath your eyes. That way it's your eyes are more open and it's bright. So next tip is to use a vibrant lipstick. So I'm going to use my MAC Strip Down. And then I'm going to use my Nars lipstick in the shade Heat Wave. This vibrant color here. Just a little bit, not a lot. All right. Now, if you want to add some gloss, which I do, I'm going to add my Fenty Beauty gloss in the shade Fenty Glow, I think. Yeah. And the last step is to add a setting spray so that your skin is more hydrated. So I'm going to add my MAC Fix Plus in Coconut. Perfect. Let that air dry. Alright guys, so this is the look. I'm still feeling sick, but at least I don't look as sick as I am. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.